Welcome back, traders, to your go-to channel for actionable stock analysis and trading education. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating microcap that has just flashed across our proprietary scanners, presenting a unique technical setup. Before we jump in, remember this important disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Today, our focus is on XCUR, ticker symbol XCUR. This is a microcap stock operating in an unspecified sector, meaning it doesn't fit neatly into traditional industry classifications. This often indicates a company with a niche focus or a very early stage business model. As a microcap, XCUR falls squarely into penny stock territory, trading currently under $5. XCUR landed on our radar primarily due to our Itozogi strategy, a powerful indicator for a potential bear trap reversal. Now, what does that mean? Itozogi looks for stocks that have been under recent selling pressure, where short sellers or panicked investors have been driving the price down but are now showing signs of recovery. Specifically, it searches for the price to recover above its 20-period exponential moving average, or VWAP, which is essentially the average closing price over the last 20 periods, giving more weight to recent prices. This recovery must ideally be confirmed by an increase in volume. For XCUR, the scanner identified a point where the price pattern suggested such a recovery, even though current market data shows recent price action has been flat with plus 0.0% changes over the last 5 and 30 days, and today's volume is currently at 0 shares. However, the pattern itself at our scanner entry signal price of $6,449 suggested a moment where sellers might have been exhausted, and buyers were preparing to step in, setting the stage for potential upward movement if activity resumes. It's a classic setup for when a downtrend might be reversing. Technical analysis deep dive. Beyond the Itozogi signal, XCUR's setup was confirmed by our rigorous VWAP and EMA alignment gate. This means the stock's price is theoretically trading above its volume-weighted moving average, or VWAP, which factors in trading volume to give more weight to price points with higher activity. Such an alignment suggests buyers are in control. Additionally, the trend strength measured by the average directional index, or ADX, is above 18, indicating a genuine trend is forming, not just random noise. The relative strength index, or RSI momentum oscillator measuring the speed and change of price movements, is in the healthy momentum zone between 45 and 68. This is the sweet spot. Momentum is building, but it's not yet overextended or overbought. While today's specific volume for XCUR is 0 shares, with the 30-day average volume also at 0, implying 0x relative volume, the signal for this setup was based on the underlying price structure and alignment that would typically show these confirmations if the stock were actively trading. Imagine a stock that's been in the doldrums, perhaps unjustly punished, and then suddenly the tide turns. This is the narrative of the Itozogi, or bear trap reversal. Our strategy looks for that precise moment when the buyers, or sellers, have been lulled into a false sense of security, only to find the stock price reversing sharply against them. It's about catching the recovery after a significant selling pressure, when the stock climbs back above its EM at 20, signaling that the short-term trend may be shifting back to the upside. For XCUR, this pattern was identified, suggesting a potential spring in its step if liquidity enters the market. For a potential setup in XCUR, our scanner has identified precise key levels to watch. The scanner entry signal price is $6,449. This is where the pattern theoretically confirmed the reversal. Your stop loss level, crucial for managing risk, is set tightly at $1,667, protecting you against any false moves or further downside. Our take-profit targets are ambitious, reflecting the potential of a successful reversal. TPERN at $1,7271, TP2 at $1,8094, and an even higher TP3 at $1,8916. What's truly compelling here is the risk-reward ratio of 1:10.2. This means for every dollar risked, the potential reward is over $10, an exceptional setup if the move materializes. Again, a quick reminder, important disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Given XCUR's current 0 volume and plus 0.0% price changes over the past month, the immediate next steps are critical. First, watch for any significant increase in volume. A surge from 0 shares to anything substantial would be a strong confirmation that market participants are returning and validating the Ichizogi pattern. Second, observe the price action around our entry of $6,449. A sustained move above this level on renewed volume would indicate strength. Conversely, a break-in close below the stop loss of $6,367, especially on increasing volume, would invalidate the setup and suggest caution. Pay close attention to any sudden news or catalysts that might reignite trading in this microcap. XCUR presents a fascinating theoretical setup, highlighted by a powerful Ichizogi bear trap reversal pattern with robust technical confirmations, even amidst its current dormant state. The exceptional 110.2 risk/reward ratio makes this one to keep a very close eye on should liquidity and activity pick up. If you found this analysis valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth stock breakdowns, and let us know in the comments which stocks you want us to analyze next. Your feedback fuels our channel. Until next time, trade smart, manage your risk, and stay disciplined.